Welcome back. And today I want to talk to you about why you need training in Microsoft 365 applications. I'm Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro, and I am here to help you get the most out of your software. When you open up your computer, be that laptop or desktop or iPad or phone or tablet, Windows tablet or iOS tablet, Android tablet, whichever tablet you open, whichever computer you're on, knowing how to use your software more effectively, having learnt how to use it, will speed up the way you work. For example, if you've never done a mail merge before and you're suddenly confronted with the mailings ribbon, where do you start? Do you even need the mailings ribbon? Does it go from left to right? Does it go down? How do you do it? Where do you get your names and addresses from? By watching a video, taking a course, or learning from an expert like me, you will shortcut the amount of time that it takes you to figure this out by yourself. Why should you spend hours and hours Googling how to do something when you can quickly take a course and learn how to do it? My courses live on my website, www.msofficemaestro.com. The umbrella course is Essential Office for the Savvy Assistant, and every week I post helpful tips and trips on my channel Tomorrow's VA, which is my umbrella home of online training for the Savvy Assistant, tips and tricks that are going to help you get more done in less time. By learning how to use Microsoft Office more effectively, you are going to speed up your work. You are going to become the go-to person in your office, or the person that just gets stuff done more quickly, while your colleagues, while your boss, be the expert that you know you really want to be. Hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you in one of the videos sometime soon.